Yeah, well, I'm always filming stuff going on here. Like we kind of got a like a pet bear that comes here all the time.
Oh yeah.
I call him Brutus.
Yeah.
He's huge.
Yeah.
He always shows up. Some more wood rot right there. These are all rotten. And that's next. Well, that. And then that. It's all rotten.